Moscow's decision to send a fleet of warships, led by the Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier, to the eastern Mediterranean may have saved the Syrian military from getting bombed by the US, according to military expert Vladimir Evseev. The deputy director of Russia's CIS Institute pointed out that Washington had only recently considered the possibility of attacking Syrian government forces, using the pretext of a UN report which alleged that Damascus had used chemical weapons. But the entry of a major Russian flotilla, led by the Admiral Kuznetsov aircraft carrier, into the Mediterranean may have been the essential element needed to cool the Pentagon's appetites, Evseev added. The analyst also recalled that earlier, S-300 systems were deployed in Tartus with similar goals in mind, given that they are capable of addressing not only air-based threats, but ballistic targets as well. Last week, the contents of a leaked report submitted to the UN Security Council blamed the Syrian government for a chemical attack in Idlib in 2015. Damascus vehemently denied the charges, citing the terrorists' own regular use of poison gas. Moscow, meanwhile, stressed that more serious evidence would need to be presented before such serious accusations could be leveled. The US and NATO allies, already engaged in a campaign to demonize Syria and Russia over the fight for Aleppo, used the report to pile onto other charges that Damascus and Moscow were responsible for war crimes in their operation to liberate Syria from armed militants. As far as the situation in the city of Aleppo is concerned, Evseev stressed that if we continue to wait and prolong humanitarian pauses, there will be no people left in Aleppo. Without air support, losses are too high. It's necessary to free the city quickly, and to think less about the West thinks about it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget subscribe to my channel.